The Sears, Roebuck and Company catalog first began in 1888 and ended in 1993. While their catalog was extremely popular and helped increase sales in the days before the internet, consumers were able to buy pre-manufactured kit homes to build themselves. When Sears broke into the housing market in 1908, the Sears catalog was received by approximately 20% of the population. Frank Kushel, a Sears manager, was placed in charge of the company's struggling building department in 1906. He supposedly created the idea for Sears to create assembled kits and sell entire homes via the catalog. One of their home competitors, the Roebuck and Company, started their kit homes mail order service that same year. Sears' first catalog for homes in 1908 featured 44 styles and price ranges from $360 to just under $2,900. Sears purchased and operated many lumber mills to help mass-produce materials to make the homes easier to supply and shipping more convenient to help keep the prices low. The homes on average weighed 25 tons and had 30,000 or more parts and were shipped by train before traveling the last bit by truck. Sears geared their homes to the growing American middle class and veterans of World War I. The homes were in such demand that Sears even got into selling mortgages, but once the Great Depression hit, they had to foreclose on customers' homes upwards of millions of dollars. There were 3 lines of homes that Sears offered: Honor Built, Standard Built, and Simplex Sectional. Honor Built were the best quality but most expensive. Simplex homes were smaller and simpler. Sears was also confident in the easy building of their homes that they claimed even those with minimal skills could build their home within 90 days. To help decrease the cost of the materials in homes, Sears provided drywall and asphalt shingles to lower the price. Also, by offering pre-cut timbers, construction time was cut 40%. Besides the Roebuck and Company, Sears' other home competitors included fellow retailers Montgomery Ward and Harris Brothers. Some kits that Sears offered included a 75-page instruction guide on how to construct the home. To make the homes modern, at an additional cost, plumbing, electricity, and heating could be included. There were major companies in the United States that needed areas for their employees to live. One such company was Standard Oil. In Illinois, they created a 12-block area where they spent $1 million on Sears kit homes for their employees. Through the history of Sears home kits, there were over 400 different models offered throughout. In 1908, Sears even began to offer a schoolhouse kit priced at $11,500 for the 2-story school. The school had 6 classrooms, a library, office, and even an auditorium. None are known to be standing today. It is also unsure how many were purchased and sales were discontinued after 1 year. Sears sold over 70,000 homes from 1908 until they stopped selling kit homes in 1940. Unfortunately, paperwork has been lost, so it is unknown how many Sears homes are still standing today.